But bro, who allowed ones anyway?
Yeah, it's your true that very man figure out your tax and this thing. I guess
As long as we can arrest you something now, man. It's not allowed like inside because the man people can be sick. I don't know, you don't chicken flu.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. MMC uthi, do you know we can arrest you for doing this because abantu bangagula? Why not arresting him? Because this is a hijacked building, and this person inside the hijacked building, he is committing another crime of running a farm, a chicken farm inside a hijacked building. Why, guys?
yes.
So where you from? You can't. Where you from? You can't. Ezim. Ezim. You can't do it.
Back on.
Says Bulani Bubuzak.
Yeah.
So, how's this road? Don't even count them.
Coordinated effort between the city government, the private sector, and law enforcement agencies for us to succeed in this battle. But it is also understood that it's a lucrative market for those syndicates and criminals that continue to hijack these buildings. That is why it is important to also bring the law enforcement agencies to help us in the fight, firstly to push back, and secondly, those buildings that are hijacked, we can clear them. The problem that we're experiencing as the city in the main is temporary emergency accommodation, which the courts would have instructed so that once you remove them, you must find alternative. There's criminal syndicates who are quite heavily involved in the hijacking of buildings. But we are saying we're not afraid to confront them. Where we are able to confront, our law enforcement agencies have been able to do so. I came in August. In December, we reclaimed at least 2 buildings. We ensured that we followed all the court processes because it's quite a tedious process in itself, because the court says you must conduct profiling of those who are in there. There's a whole lot of issues that you must do before you even get to a point where you can now effect the court order. But that's not an excuse. The task at hand is the city government, provincial government, law enforcement agencies have to work together to address this matter as urgently as we can. And the courts have been favorable to us. I think by now we've got about 14 court orders that were given by the courts, which is a good indication that indeed even the courts do understand the magnitude of the problem and that this problem must be addressed.
So guys, as I always say, this guy, this MMC from the EFF is not qualified to be in this position. How can a person from a party that is inviting this illegality to come to happen in this country be the same person again to fight the existence of these people in this country? He is having a soft spot of these people. Each time he arrives in this building and these buildings and they find illegal foreigners there, you will hear him joking with them, making some funny jokes with them. As now this guy is speaking to his boss to say they are here. He is joking with that one that is on the other side of the phone to say, we are killing your chicken. It's everything about him and these illegal foreigners is a joke. Why? So we are hoping ukuthi the MMC will be able to clean up all these hijacked buildings. Just yesterday, I posted a video of him telling us as a country ukuthi he has decided to come up with a new strategy of finding an alternative. It's a new strategy of renovating these flats with illegal foreigners inside, as long as they agree to pay rent between 2,000 and 3,000, then they will allow them to stay. There's no need to take them away out of those places. Even those who were taken out from hijacked buildings in the CPD, I think it was early this year. Yes, they took them to flay off in Soweto. Those illegal foreigners want to come back to town. They told him that hunger is unaliving them in Soweto. They want to come back because in Joburg they were having an opportunity to get some piece jobs, maybe even to sell on the streets as usual. He want to bring them back to the city because they cried that they are very, very hungry. They need to come back to the city. The same city that they are telling us that they are cleaning the streets. They don't want any litter. They don't want any illegal vending on the streets. They don't want anyone to hawker illegally in the streets of the CBD of Joburg. But he is bringing them back. We are not hearing him speaking about the deportation of these people or the arrest of these people. He's not even asking their passports or their papers if he is arriving in these buildings. Each and every time he arrives there, he's just tell us, oh, Home Affairs is coming. Okay, we know he is not from the Home Affairs, but as an official who is in this department, at least ask, are you legally in the country? Okay, wait here, because he is there with the team. Okay, guys, hold him, let him not run away. Let's call the Home Affairs to come and deal with him and verify if he is legal. No, he's not doing all those things. So we are expected to be happy that we have the MMC of the EFF fighting foreigners. The same EFF that is inviting them to come to the country. Oh no, guys, we are not children. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section. Like, share the video and subscribe. And still enjoy your Christmas and Happy New Year. Love you so much, guys. Bye.